In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to split an invoice on Xero. If you're new to the software or looking to make managing invoices easier, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break down an invoice in just a few steps. Plus, I'll let you in on a special bonus to use this software for free. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to know about splitting an invoice in Xero is that it's useful when you need to share the cost of a single invoice across different clients or departments. Whether you're dealing with a joint project or multiple payments, Xero makes this process smooth. To begin, navigate to your Xero dashboard and find the invoice you want to split. Once you're on the invoice page, you'll see the option to add a line. This is where you can break down the total into different sections or categories. Let's say you're splitting the cost between two clients. You'll add a separate line for each with their portion of the invoice listed accordingly. If you need to change the amount or describe each part of the split, just click into the line item and adjust. When you're working with multiple lines, ensure the total matches the invoice sum. You don't want to leave any discrepancies, so Xero gives you the ability to check and adjust as needed. You can also add tags to each line separately, making it easier to ensure everything is accurate. Another option is if you're splitting an invoice based on percentage. For example, if one party is covering 30% and the other is covering 70%, you can quickly adjust the amounts based on percentages to ensure accuracy. Xero allows you to track this breakdown clearly so everyone knows what's expected. Once you've entered all your line items and are happy with the splits, you can save or approve the invoice as usual. The split won't affect your overall accounting or balance, as Xero automatically adjusts the figures in the background, keeping everything synced with your financial records. Now here's something I know you'll appreciate. If you're just getting started with Xero, or you're thinking of giving it a try, you can use this software completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. In addition to that, we're offering exclusive bonuses that you can access right away, so be sure to check that out. You might wonder, does this only work for invoices, or can I use this for other aspects of my business? Well, Xero's versatility extends to purchase orders, bills, and even reports, where you can break down and track expenses easily. But for now, focusing on invoice splitting, this simple trick will save you a lot of time and help keep your invoicing clear and professional. I'll remind you again, by using the link below, you can get an extended free trial of Xero, so go ahead and check that out. This could really streamline how you handle your business accounting, and trust me, once you get the hang of this, you'll be able to split invoices like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the bonus offer for your free trial.